Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys. Today I am back with another fourth impact video. And today we are on week 2. That's right, week 2. So let's just, I love the week 1's performance. I love it. They brought everything. They brought energy. They brought amazing vocals. It was just bam, they shut it down. So let's just get straight into this video. Too loud. Slay. This is Girls Aloud. Cheryl is really enjoying it. That was amazing. Like, it was great. I don't know, there was something about it I feel like was just, I don't know, maybe it's just the beat was too high, I don't know, but like maybe the drum and everything was too loud, I don't know, but it was still great. I'm not saying that I don't like it. I love it. I love them. Anything that they do, of course, I love it. And that's my reaction to it. And thank you so much guys for watching. I can't wait to watch week 4. I think they're singing a Beyonce song, I think. So I can't wait to watch week 4. Obviously Cheryl was very happy about their choice of song. I don't know, I think Cheryl chooses the song for them or they choose it, I'm not sure. But anyways, that's it guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below on what more you wanna see and what more you wanna see. So don't forget to do that, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.